first. So I'll log into my account and I'm going to show you how you can activate, because I can boldly say that if you are not in the Millionaires Club, you are leaving money behind. Yes, you are losing big. The Millionaires Club gives you more income. Okay, when you and your people joins the Millionaires Club, you enjoy more in earnings. So let's quickly look over here and let me explain how to join it. In the first place, before you join the Millionaires Club, you first have to register. And whenever you register on Pif First, your upline needs to pay it forward for you. As the name implies, Pif First. The Pif means pay it forward first. So anytime you join, okay, even if you go down in the description part of the video and then you want to register for the Millionaires Club, you have to first register and have your bronze board activated. Okay, have your bronze board activated. This is how the system is made. So you only have to click on the link and register. After you are registered, your upline will activate, or pay it forward $1 for you. That is the bronze pack. Now let's click on purchase combo pack. Purchase combo pack. That is how you can activate. But before we activate, there is something here we need to read out. Okay, now come here. It says do not purchase a combo. Okay, that means do not purchase a combo package without your bronze level 1 being activated. These combo packs do not include the bronze package, and you may mess up your downline alignment doing otherwise. You can purchase the combo pack using either purchase balance or account balance. Just use the drop down menu to select your choice. Once you have purchased the combo pack, please remain on the page until redirect for deposit to post. If more than an hour, contact support. Okay, so the part that I want you to look out is the bronze level 1. Do not purchase a combo, a combo package without your bronze level 1 being activated. So your upline or your sponsor is very important here. Immediately you register, you have to let your sponsor know so that he can pay for the bronze level 1 for you. After you have paid the bronze level 1, you can go ahead and activate the Millionaires Club. Okay, now when you look at the top there, you see basic all in. That means that immediately you register, you can pay for all the other ad packages, which is from the silver all down to diamond yourself. And when you pay for all these things, it will cost you $30. That means all those levels are activated, and all that you need is your people just falling in place and taking your money. Okay, so that is for the first one. And then one thing about the basic all in is that there is no overtaking here. No one will overtake you. You are always the boss. And one beautiful thing is that even those that overtook you, later you will find them under you when you go ahead in all the other ad packages. For example, you registered someone because the person is a leader, he has people behind him. Few days the person went to silver while you were still at bronze, you haven't completed your board. Okay, if you purchase the basic all in, the system will buy all the other parts for you, though you miss the person on silver, but you will find the person anytime the person gets to gold, you are going to see the person at gold board. The person will appear in your gold board. So it's a serious thing. If really you want to enjoy the Pif First business, you need to have the basic all in as well. Now we have the Millionaires Club. Here it's noted the Millionaires Club single. So here you are buying only the Millionaires Club alone, and it is you are buying the Millionaires Club alone, and it costs $50. This Millionaires Club allows you to earn over more than $23 million, and I will come to that. I will explain. So this is how to buy. I'm showing you how to buy the Millionaires Club. I will go to the explanation so that you all understand. Now the next one is the Millionaires Club all in. So over here, after your leader has bought the bronze level 1 for you, okay, you are buying all the basic all in plus the Millionaires Club all together, and that costs $80. And you need to fund or deposit into your account. Come here and then click on buy now. Then you select whether it's in the purchase account or main balance account or something, and then you do your purchase. Now the Millionaires Club. Now you know everything about the combo ad packages. So what is the Millionaires Club? Because that is where I want us to discuss. If you are on Pif First and you don't have the Millionaires Club, you are leaving so much money behind. Now let's look at it. Here is how the Millionaires Club works. Okay, here is how the Millionaires Club works. It only have 7 levels. It only has 7 levels, and from the level 1, which are referrals that came into the business through you. These are the people that you personally piffed or paid for. So for example, if I brought 10 people into the business and then they all automatically paid for the Millionaires Club, they will be positioned at my level 1, and you will be earning $15 on each of them. Immediately anyone appears on your level 1, the system will pay you $15. The beautiful thing about the Millionaires Club is that you can refer unlimited people at your level 1. Your downlines can refer unlimited people at their levels as well. So for example, let's go to the level 1. I brought 10 people. Each of them I brought 10 people, and then I made $15 on all of them. So all the 10 people will be equal to $150. Allow me to say that you only need to have at least 3 to 4 people, and the $50 that you brought into the business is paid out. Yes, paid out. Okay, so if the people that you are bringing into the business sees this and still didn't take the opportunity, and I think they don't want to make money. Now look over here. Let's go to the level 2. We assuming I brought 10, and each of these 10 people all brought 10 each. That is 100 referrals. The system says that while these 100 people are all earning $15, okay, for their 10 people each, you, the upline, will earn $12 on all these 100 people, and that will give you $1,200, okay, $1,200 in earnings at your level 2. Number 3, if these 100 people all brings 10 people, that will be 1,000 people. You, the upline, will receive $9 for each of these 1,000 people, and that will give you $9,000. Whenever you go to the level 4, we are assuming this 1,000 people all brings 10 people. That will be $5 you'll be earning on the level 4 on all of them. Anytime someone drops in any of these levels, you are taking $5 on the level 4, and that will give you $50,000. Let's go to level 5. The level 5, we are assuming these 10,000 people all brings 10 people, and you have 100,000 people over there. The system pays you $4 at this level. That is equal to $400,000. Let's go to the next one, which is on the 6th level. If 100,000 people all brings 10, that is 1 million people, and you are getting $3 on your level 6. This will give you $3 million at this stage. Let's go to level 7. If this 1 million people all brings 10 people, that is $10 million, and you are earning $2 on all of these people. That will be $20 million. Now let's look at something. In all, these are the referrals you have in your team. That is about 11 million, and these are not your work. Your work is the first 10. This is an example. Okay, this is an example. So your work is the first 10, else all the rest came through by your team. You don't work alone. You receive spill overs and spill unders on those things, meaning your leaders at the top, whenever they sign up people, some will drop into your team and you take money for that. Simple. You understand? Yes, they will come and join the team. All the people at the 10 will be bringing, and all the people down here all receives money for this. Now let's get down to the reward. So if you take the rewards all together, it means the system shares the $50 throughout the whole board. Now let's go to the total earners. This means that even if you have 10 people and all of them comes in with 10, that is equivalent to $23,460,350 that goes into your pocket. That is why I keep saying, if you really want to make money in Pif First, okay, in Pif First, make sure you join the Millionaires Club. So just sit down, think about it. What can this 23,460,350 do for you? How can it change your life, and how can it do great things in your life? I am sure some of the leaders can even refer more than 10 when it comes to the Millionaires Club. Some leaders can have like 15, 20. Yes. And the beautiful part is, anytime someone from your team that you are building in the Bronx makes some money and decides to join the Millionaires Club, they fall directly under your team. They don't go anywhere. They fall under your team. You understand? So this is an opportunity. You need to be here if only you have the millionaires mindset. People have made over $1,000, $2,000 right from the Millionaires Club already. So don't stay there and watch us, okay? Right in the description part of this video, you have access to my WhatsApp number. Just chat me up and do your registration. The link is also there. Do your registration. If you want to read more about the Pif First, you also need to go to my blog. Every details is there. From there, you can also contact me so that we set things in motion. Okay. Yes. So I will end here with this video. I believe you have understood. Okay. In case you have any question, just post it in the description part. I will comment. I will give you the whole details. Thank you.